locker, skin reveal and more. So first we've got these skins here. Yep. Got like Red Jade, the Renegade, but without the Raider. Aura, that skin, Fisherman, that guy, the red mask, the medic skin, the robot, pink hair person, karate guy, Fortnite Balenciaga character, that white hair person, Zig, another Fortnite Balenciaga skin, Tuna Fish, Tina, Earth, Primal, Season 6 skin, Sunny, Sky, Space Person, Scuba Jonesy, Rick, Reese, Soccer Person, her, Meowsicles. I don't know who she is. Pancake, Alexa, the agent, Core. Wait, no, that's Core, the agent. The black guy, Kit, Jules, JB, Chimpanski, Rabbit, Gold Trooper, Unicorn guy, the Golden Agents, Dr. Sloan, Chicken guy, Charlotte, another Golden Agent, Disco Girl, Brutus, Burger guy, Normal guy, Banana, Jonesy, 8-Ball, Torren, Raz, Predator, Oro, Midas, Menace, Alien, another alien guy, superhero skin, Maya, him from season 3, her, the Knight, the Cyclone, the Mandalorian, and the Ripley versus Smudge. Then we've got her, Ruby, all the Marvel skins here, see? Then the top we've got the Lava, Renegade Raider, Gref J, Neymar, Travis Scott skin, but not Travis Scott, a different guy. Lara Croft, Ice Girl, Ice Heart, I don't know. Frozen Drift, Frozen Icebreaker, I think. Raven and Aquaman. That's all. Like and subscribe.